Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import deals to the HubSpot CRM. This is incredibly useful when you're migrating data from another system or simply need to bulk upload multiple deals at once, saving you hours of manual entry. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign in using your HubSpot credentials to access your account dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct portal if you manage multiple accounts. Now, look at the left navigation menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled CRM. Hover your cursor over it, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Deals. This takes you directly to your Deals dashboard where you can view, manage, and organize all your active and closed deals. Once you're on the Deals page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find an Import Deal option. Click on it to begin the import process. This button is your gateway to bringing in external deal data quickly and efficiently. You'll now see the Import Deals page with 3 different options: import from a file, sync from apps, or transfer data. For this tutorial, we're going to use the import from a file option since it's the most common method for uploading spreadsheets or CSV files. Go ahead and click on Import Data to proceed. A new window will open asking you about the import procedure. Click on Start Import to kick things off. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select what you're importing. Look for deals in the list of options and select it, then click Next. This tells HubSpot exactly what type of data you're bringing in so it can map everything correctly. Now it's time to upload your file. Click to select your file from your computer and make sure to check the drop-down menu to specify how you want to import your deals. You'll see options like Create and Update, Create New Deals Only, or Update Existing Deals. Choose the option that fits your needs. Then review your selection and click Next. On the next screen, you'll see a list of all the deals from your uploaded file. This is where you map the properties from your file to HubSpot's fields. You can match them to existing properties or create new ones based on your preferences. Pay close attention here because you must map 3 required fields for the import to work: deal name, pipeline, and deal stage. Without these, HubSpot won't process your import. Once everything is mapped correctly and looks good, click Next. Finally, you'll reach the finalization phase where you can review all the imported deals one last time. Double-check that everything appears accurate, then confirm the import. HubSpot will process your deals and add them to your CRM. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.